At first glance, this bird looks like it belongs in a fairy tale, with feathers that shine like jewels and dances that seem choreographed by nature itself. The bird of paradise is one of the most extraordinary creatures on Earth. Found deep in the rainforests of Papua New Guinea and nearby islands, this bird is a true symbol of nature's creativity. There are around 42 known species of birds of paradise, each with its own unique shapes and colors. Males are the real showstoppers. They display dazzling feathers in shades of gold, emerald and sapphire, with tails and plumes that look like crowns, umbrellas, or even wires. In contrast, the females are dressed in modest brown or gray tones, which help them blend into the forest and stay safe. What makes the bird of paradise truly famous are its courtship displays. When it's time to impress a female, the male clears a small patch of ground or selects a branch high in the trees. Then, he begins a spectacular performance, stretching his feathers, flashing his vibrant colors, and moving in precise dance-like steps. Each species has its own unique routine. Some hop side to side, others spread their feathers into perfect circles, and a few even hang upside down from branches. These extraordinary dances are not just for beauty, they're competitions. The female carefully observes and decides which male is worthy of passing on his genes. Birds of paradise are found mainly in Papua New Guinea, eastern Indonesia, and the rainforests of northern Australia. They live in dense tropical forests, often high in the canopy, making them difficult to spot. For local people, seeing one of these birds is considered a rare and special experience. For centuries, the bird of paradise has held a special place in human culture. In Papua New Guinea, its feathers were used in traditional ceremonies and headdresses. To the outside world, it became a symbol of mystery and exotic beauty. But these birds are not just beautiful. They play an important role in their ecosystem. By eating fruits and spreading seeds, they help maintain the health of the rainforest. Sadly, like many unique animals, birds of paradise face serious threats. Habitat loss due to deforestation and illegal hunting for their feathers have reduced their numbers. While some species are still common, others are now considered endangered. Protecting their rainforest home is the key to ensuring that these incredible birds survive for generations to come. The bird of paradise reminds us that nature is the greatest artist of all. With their brilliant feathers and mesmerizing dances, they show us that even in the most remote corners of the earth, life can create wonders beyond imagination. These birds are not just creatures of beauty, they are living treasures of our planet.